Video number 1. Finally have my dream, my own double garage. Unfortunately, it's in a little bit of bad shape. Got to get rid of some old buildings, got to get rid of an old toilet, got to get rid of an old weird water system, I don't know what it is. Change the roof, get it watertight, go from there. Cue montage starting to clear up. That is all the woodwork done for now. We have the walls done, we have the ceiling done. I've done the annoying 45s around the windows, I've done the 45s around the door. There will be more to do when I eventually build a new garage door, probably bifold on the outside, because when it comes up, it's really annoying on my head, so we're going to redo that. But for the moment, that is all the woodwork done, so we are going to do the floor, I think. Normally I would do everything else first and then paint the floor, but over in the toilet area, before I build the walls, I really want to get a good surface down on this floor that is sealed before I start building the walls in here and here, so that I know that they're sealed underneath. And you know, it's quite a nice thing to do and it will brighten up the room, so I'm going to get on with that. But the first thing I need to do is clear all of this stuff out into my house, which is going to be interesting. Floor's down, pretty happy with it. Used the primer first, took a long time to dry. Probably should have used an epoxy. Now it's crack on, build the toilet in, and then start building some worktops. Happy with how this turned out. I just used some paint I had lying around and the big bold colours look pretty good. A lot of it will be covered up by stuff on the wall, but looks better than just the wood. Toilet turned out great. We'll work on the inside of the toilet at a later date. I kind of have an idea for it. For now I'm just going to seal the whole thing in a satin varnish so it's a bit better sealed, and then next time we'll work on the electrics and some lighting so I can get some better lighting in here. Need to figure that out.
Hello.
Hi Simon.
Right.
You wired up your garage, didn't you?